Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fable 3 on PC. While Fable 3 was indeed released for personal computers, finding it digitally today is quite challenging, as it's no longer sold through online storefronts. The most reliable and often only way to experience this classic adventure on your computer is by acquiring a physical disc copy of the game. Before you begin, ensure your system meets the necessary specifications for a smooth journey through Albion. To install Fable 3, your PC should run Windows 7, Vista, or XP. The minimum processor requirement is an Intel Core 2 Duo operating at 2.0 GHz. You'll also need at least 2 GB of system memory, or RAM, for the game to function properly. Furthermore, a graphics card that supports DirectX 9.0 is absolutely essential for rendering the game's vibrant world. Once your system is ready, simply insert the disc and follow the on-screen installation prompts. A crucial step for playing Fable 3 on PC involves games for Windows Live, or GFWL. This service must be installed on your computer for the game to launch successfully, even if you're playing offline. After installation, it's highly recommended to download and apply the official Fable 3 title update to address initial bugs. Additionally, exploring community-made patches can often provide further stability enhancements and improve overall performance, ensuring a more enjoyable and consistent gameplay experience. Should you encounter any issues, try running the game in compatibility mode for an older Windows version. Keeping your graphics drivers updated is also vital for optimal performance and visual fidelity. Many common problems have solutions readily available on online forums and community wikis, so don't hesitate to search for help. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying your epic adventure, making crucial decisions, and shaping the destiny of Albion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.